Smart formatting is a handy tool to mark and locate data inside a listing, even if it is embedded as part of a cell string. Insert the text, value or range to be marked, set the formatting parameters and press Go. This is great for presentations and when analyzing data, to visualize trends and data concentrations. It is also great to locate text embedded in cells in massive data listings. There are several formatting options, including cell background, font size, bolding and underlining, as well as some font colors to choose from. You can mix them easily. To search for values inside ranges, just insert the range with the appropriate sign, either greater than, lower than, etc., and the formatting attributes. Of course, you can remove the applied formats easily.